This project is the Qumanco to Ngcobo project. The road is actually 6 meters wide, and we are now upgrading it to 12.4 meters. The reason being that it was of substandard quality. The vertical and horizontal alignments were to substandard, and with that we've been having a lot of accidents. Previously, when we built roads, we only concentrated on the main road. We forgot about the communities, and now SANRAL has taken a firm decision to actually bring the communities along that are affected by our road into the system, and hence we've actually provided this community development program to actually enhance whatever we're doing on this road to benefit the communities around us. It is actually a labor-based project. We have been using labor from the community. First of all, we actually looked at task work that is being implemented in the project. Secondly we actually looked at training, which is a very important component of this project. Today we're going to actually be handing over certificates to the community. We believe that once they've got a piece of paper in their hand, a full qualification, they can actually go to a company and apply for a job.
Ndimlungu chairperson wale project ka ACS, Academy for Construction Skills yakwa SANRAL, efundwe nguSANRAL apha. Sizi PLCs esilapha, so we're about 12 kasisonke members at PLC. PLC ke it's a communication structure apho sidilisana khona ncakasana nabahlali bonke bezi wards ezilandelayo, ward 9, ward 10 and ward 11 apha eNgcobo.
The structures we've put up here is we use as a training facility and also as our offices, and then at the end of the day we leave all of this behind for the community for their use as well. We've also set up a little casting yard here because we needed curbs on the roads itself. Now the nearest place for us to buy it in is from East London, and that's quite a haul and it's quite a costly expense. So we decided to start manufacturing on our own here. And at the end of the day, we can leave this behind for the community to run as a small business.
Wat hierdie projek baie uniek maak teenoor die R61 en ander projekte hier rond is dat ons alles ter word 90% word alles ter met die hand gedoen.
The mixing and placing of the concrete, that was the whole training program all these students went through, and then the whole setup started, the whole casting yard started. They needed to keep up with the whole production of about 100 to 150 curbs a day, just to meet our demand on site. So it was quite an involved process to get this where we are now. At this stage, we're only supplying to our own project, but there is a demand for the currency, and there is future projects coming as well, where there will also be a big need for curbs. We also are looking at, as a possibility, and that's still something we're investigating, of actually casting concrete lintels here as well. And we're also looking at expanding it into concrete blocks as well, or precast blocks and bricks that they can use to build houses. There is a housing project running at this stage, which is not part of this project at all. It's a totally different project, but there was a need for skills on that side. So what we did is provide training in plastering, bricklaying, carpentry and plumbing to meet the demand. And there's quite a few of these people that are currently employed by the building contractors.
Dit maak dit nogal baie spesiaal. Jy kan sien hoe huise in hierdie area, as jy nou toe ons begin werk het en dan sien jy daar kom verf, die kinders het klere. Jy weet dit raak, jy kan sien hoe bou dit op. En verder kan mense trots wees. Dis gemeenskap, die mense wat hier ry, sal sê ons mense het dit gebou. Dit gee trots in die gemeenskap terug en hulle kan trots wees op wat hulle gedoen het hierso.